Unlock FCA SGW Gateway Anywhere with Launch X431 Step-by-Step Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bobji Motors, your ultimate destination for everything related to car diagnostics and programming. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is purely for educational and informational purposes. All demonstrations, discussions, and content are designed to help vehicle technicians, enthusiasts, and learners understand modern automobile diagnostics and programming. We strictly follow fair use guidelines, and all brand names or trademarks mentioned belong to their respective owners. No copyrighted material is used for commercial purposes. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and local regulations when working on vehicles. Now here's a question to kick things off. Did you know that unlocking the FCA Security Gateway, also known as SGW, differs based on your region, and choosing the wrong option can completely block access? Comment below if you think you already knew this. And before we get into the step-by-step details, I have a small request. Most of you watch my videos but forget to subscribe, and it takes just a second but helps me a lot. So please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and watch till the very end. Let's set a challenge today. Let's hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the first 24 hours. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment, and if you really enjoy our content, consider giving a super thanks to support the channel. Now let's dive straight into it. Launch has recently updated the way users can unlock the FCA SGW for different regions around the world. The method you choose depends entirely on your IP location. If you're in Europe, you won't be able to select the US option, and users in North America cannot select European or other region options. Understanding these restrictions is critical for a smooth unlocking process. Let's start with users in North America, USA, Mexico, and Canada. For these users, unlocking the FCA SGW is straightforward. When diagnosing an FCA vehicle with a Launch X431 diagnostic tool, the system will automatically detect that the vehicle is equipped with an SGW module. A prompt will appear asking if you want to log in to unlock the module. By simply selecting Yes and logging in with your FCA account, you gain access to a wide range of functions. This includes reading version information, checking DDCs, accessing data streams, performing actuation tests, and using special diagnostic functions. It's important to note that North American IP addresses will not display European or other region options. The Launch X431 tools that support this include X431V, X431V+, X431 Pro 5, X431 Pro 3S+, X431 Pros version 1.0, Pros Mini, Pro Mini, X431 IMMO Elite, X431 IMMO Plus, X431 Pad 7, X431 Pad V, X431 Throttle, X431 Torque, X431 Turbo, CRP909E, CRP909X, CRP919E, CRP919X, CRP919EBT/XBT. For the X431 Pro Mini and Pros Mini, while they support FCA vehicles, you will also need to pay for the function license, $30, in the X431 Mall app, except for AutoAuth subscription users. The X431V/V Plus and Pad series, however, do not require this additional payment. Next, for users in European regions. If you are in Europe, the unlock process requires purchasing a European SGW function license. This license includes FCA and Maserati Gateway license valid for 1 year. Mercedes-Benz Gateway license valid for 1 year. Unlocking gateways on Mercedes models produced after 2020. Renault and Dacia license with 20 connections, reduced from 50. VAG license valid for 1 year. The cost is $1,151 via PayPal, and the purchase path is Mall Other Goods SGW function license, European region only. Remember, this license must be renewed after its expiration to maintain access. For users outside Europe and North America, there are 2 solutions available. Solution 1. Purchase the SGW function license for non-European regions. This includes FCA and Maserati Gateway license for 1 year. Renault and Dacia license with 20 connections. VAG license for 1 year. Note that the Mercedes-Benz Gateway license is not included. The license must be renewed upon expiry. Price: $899 via PayPal. Purchase path: Mall Other Goods SGW function license. Non-European region only. Solution 2. Purchase a standalone FCA SGW license. This is priced at $329 via PayPal and is available for regions outside Europe and North America only. This license cannot be purchased in the USA, Canada, Mexico, or Europe due to compliance restrictions. Regardless of the license type purchased, activation is required to start using the features. Supported Launch X431 tools for these licenses include Launch X431 tablets, 7-inch and above. Launch X431 Pad 9, Launch X431 Pad 7 Elite. Launch X431 Pad V Elite. Launch X431 Pro 5 SmartLink. Launch X431 Pro 3S Plus Elite. Launch X431 Pro 3V Plus Elite. Launch CRP 919 EBT / CRP 919 XBT. Launch X431 Pro Series. Registering your FCA SGW license is simple. Start by visiting http://europe-lmp.x431.com/lmp/$SGW login and click Register. If you don't receive your username and password or encounter other issues with SGW products, contact e-commerce at launch-europe.de. Alternatively, on your Launch X431 tool, navigate to More Licenses, Use Software Card SGW User Authentication Register. Complete the registration form. Your information will be reviewed individually, but you can proceed with activation while waiting for approval. For smooth verification, take a photo of your government-issued ID next to your Launch diagnostic device. Upload the photo for verification. Avoid large A4 scans with excessive background, as they may make your ID details difficult to read. Activating your FCA SGW license. Case 1. If your license key begins with FCA, MESGW, SGWP, POL, or POET. In the Launch X431 app, go to More Licenses, Use Software Card SGW User Authentication. Log in and select the Security Gateway activation form. Complete all required fields and submit. You can check the status later under Status Inquiry. Case 2. For other license keys, navigate to More Licenses, Use Software Card. Enter your license key and tap Confirm. If you receive an error mentioning SGW User Authentication, it may indicate that your account hasn't been verified yet, or there was a verification issue. You will be notified via email in such cases. And that's the complete guide to unlocking the FCA SGW Gateway on your Launch X431 tool, no matter where you are in the world. By following these steps carefully, you can unlock full diagnostic access and take advantage of advanced vehicle functions efficiently. I want to give a huge thanks to all my regular viewers and subscribers. Your support keeps BobG Motors alive and growing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It's free and it makes a massive difference. So, did you remember the question from the intro? The answer is, unlocking FCA SGW is region-specific, and using the wrong regional option will prevent access. Personally, I think Launch's system of region-based licensing is smart because it ensures compliance and security while giving technicians worldwide access. What's your take on this? Let me know in the comments. Here's a quick tip. Always double-check your IP region and license type before attempting SGW unlock, and keep your Launch tool firmware updated for smoother operation. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments together. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy diagnosing!